Hello and welcome to Antonyms. In this video you'll learn about opposites. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite of each other. Ant means no, not the bug. It means opposite. Nym means name. Here are some examples. The opposite of up is down. The opposite or antonym of in is out. How about these? The opposite of loud is quiet. The antonym or opposite of big is small. Colors can be opposite too, like black and white. Times of day can be opposite as well, such as day and night. If you combine antonyms with synonyms, which are words with the same meaning, you can really make your writing interesting. For example, instead of saying the opposite of big is little, you can say the opposite of big is tiny or pea-sized or teeny-weeny. These all mean little, but aren't they a lot more fun to read and write? You can use antonyms or opposites in your writing when you're trying to explain exactly what you mean, or when you're trying to show contrast, or that something is very different. Antonyms can help make strong points when you're trying to convince someone of your point of view or your opinion. Did you know that each dictionary definition also lists the opposite of each word or the antonym? Go check it out now, and then go practice on our fun games. And until next time, always be clever. Hey!